Welcome to the channel, and I'm back with more content based around this German box of tricks. Now, as much as I profess to be a good cook, I'm not that much of a baker, so today we're going to be baking some bread. I'm going to attempt to make a nice crusty Portuguese loaf. I can assure you that I've not tried this recipe before. It was recommended to me by a friend. Now, as difficult as baking bread can sometimes be, let's see how easy this Thermomix can make it. Okay, let's see how easy we can make this. There's very few ingredients. Let's start with 550 grams of water. Next, 720 grams of strong white bread flour.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, and oh man, how did I manage to do that? It's taken ages to clean up, but rest assured the flour is now in a bowl as first intended. And I did say at the start of this video, how easy can we make this? Well, not very easy in my case, because half it went over the floor. Next, insert measuring cup into bowl lid. Next, turn speed selector to 6. All done. Next, leave to hydrate for 40 minutes. So that's exactly what I will do. So see you in 40 minutes. Okay, the 40 minutes are up. Who would ever have known that I've just dropped about 200 grams of flour all over this thing? Right. Click that tear button. Add 1 teaspoon of dried instant yeast, which is what I'm going to do. And 10 grams of salt, which I've pre-weighed. In you go. Now this is where the Thermi is going to do all of that hard work, so we haven't got a need because it's going to need for us. So click to start. And that's going to take 6 minutes. Okay, the 6 minutes are up. A quick word of warning, if you are using the knead function on the Thermomix, keep your eye on it, because when I came back to mine, it was right on the edge of the side. It literally worked itself off to the edge, so an expensive piece of equipment. Do keep your eye on it. Leave to rest in mixing bowl until double in size. So I'm going to take the lid off. Let's just have a quick peek inside this to show you how it looks. We are looking good. So we'll keep our eye on it. So 2 hours and we'll be back. Okay, the 2 hours are up. I've decanted the bread. I've taken the blade out the bottom of the bowl. It just makes it easier to get the bread out. So lightly floured hands. I'm just going to slowly form this into some kind of something that's going to resemble a loaf. So I've formed this into a round loaf. Don't be afraid to get plenty of flour about if things get a little bit sticky. Just before I get ready to bake this, it is asking for me to put a slit right down the middle. I'm not sure why. Any expert bakers, comment below. Now I'm going to bake this for 25 to 35 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. The baking time for this loaf was 40 minutes. I'm really pleased with the results, and it's far better than shop bought bread. I do hope you enjoy the video. For more TM6 content, consider hitting that subscribe button.